What's up, guys? I just got the Bissel Spot Clean Pro and I'm gonna do an unboxing video. I am gonna use this for car detailing, for upholstery and carpets and floor mats, and I think it's really gonna help. It gets stains out easily. Throw some hot water in there, some shampoo, and it'll bring it right out. So I'm excited to use it, so let's unbox it. So guys, I'm just gonna give you a little walk around of the box, show you every side and what it tells you. You get a little formula sample from them of 2 of their different cleaning solutions. So you can test those out. If you like them, you keep buying them. And apparently, every purchase from Bissel saves pets. So you open it up and you have your user manual here. Kind of shows you what's in the box, how to use it, blah, 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 blah. Warranty. And then you have your 3-inch cleaning tool, which is good for smaller spaces. If you're doing a car, that's good for seats, that kind of thing. Then you have the 5-inch bigger one. They call it the stair cleaner. If you're doing stairs or just your floor in general and you need to get more out of it. And then you have the actual cleaner itself. And then here's the formula they give you as a trial. It's actually a decent amount. Okay. Let's take the wrapping off here. Oh, that's easy. Okay, so we got it unboxed, and I'm going to show you guys a couple little things, basic stuff on how to use it. So over here, you have the power button, and this is obviously the cable, but what's really cool is this has a quick release. So if you pull this back, you can just pull the cable out, and it's nice and easy, or you don't have to unwind the entire thing. So let's see if I can put that back, whatever. And then, so this is the dirty water tank. So you take this off by pulling this up, and then if you want to empty it, you pull it all the way back, lift it off, dump the dirty water, put back on, and they say to clean the debris from this filter. Obviously it'll just make the machine run better and last longer. So that's how you do that. And then this back here is where you fill it up with your carpet solution and clean water or hot water. And you just unscrew this, fill it up, screw it back in, and you can see down here where this connects and it won't leak. And it all fits together nice. It's not too heavy. I think it's fairly portable. I use it for car detailing, so if I wanted to go to someone's house, I could easily bring this, plug it into the wall, fill it up with water, and it should work fine. So one thing that's important when you're looking to buy one of these, something that I kept running into, there's about 1,000 models of this that look exactly the same but are slightly different. There's like this one, there's the Pet Pro, there's the Green Pro, Green Works Pro, Pet Green, whatever. All of them are slightly different, and the reason I got this one is because it came with the 3-inch and the 5-inch. Some of them only come with the 5-inch, some of them only come with the 3-inch. So just if you're on Walmart.com or Target, whatever, look in the description, it'll tell you. So if you want both, I'd recommend this one. I think there's one other one that might have both, but just make sure it has what you want before you buy it. Alright guys, well that was the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something from it. I'm actually going to be using this tomorrow on a detail job and probably the next couple days. If you guys want to see a product review, go ahead and leave a comment, like and subscribe. I'd love to do that for you. But yeah, I hope you got something from this. I know I didn't see many unboxing videos for this product, so I wanted to throw something out there. So thanks for watching, and goodbye. Also want to give a special thanks to Steve for coming from work to help us film this video.
Of course.
We appreciate it.
You're welcome. My pleasure.
All right, guys. Well, that was the product. No.
All right.